Hello, my name is David Berger. I am privileged to be the local co-chair of the 26th International Workshop on Clinical Pharmacology of HIV, hepatitis, and other antiviral drugs, which will be held on September 3 and 4 this year in Amsterdam. And this workshop is really one of my favorites. I always plan my holidays around it. And if I remember well, I've only missed one meeting in the last 25 years. And there are many reasons why I like this workshop so much. First, it's a relatively small meeting with around 100 to 200 attendants, which makes it very easy to have informal discussions with your colleagues and your friends. Also, the program is always very interesting for everyone involved in the field of antiviral clinical pharmacology, with invited lectures, oral abstract presentations, often by young PhD students, pro-con sessions, and clinical case discussions. And for this year, we already secured invited speakers on, for instance, CMV, long-acting injectables for PrEP, and the use of AI and drug-drug interaction management. So I very much look forward to see you all in Amsterdam this year. See you there.